Hello friends, myself Amin and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Amin's channel. The Geological Survey of India, a premier organization of Government of India, is now 175 years old. And I am in front of an iconic building, 27 Jawaharlal Nehru Road, which houses the Central Library of GSI besides other divisions. Coal exploration, for which the GSI was formed, operated from this building for many years. Today I am here in search of some literature on paleobotany, which is almost a dying subject. In this video, I will try to project some very important work carried out by our predecessors with the help of some plant fossils kept outside the library building. Another iconic building, which is locally known as Lal Badi, it houses the office of the DG. Paleo means old or ancient, and paleobotany is the study of fossil plants. There is a process called petrification by which organic matter exposed to minerals over a long period of time in a favorable condition, in which organic matter turns into stone, keeping all the cellular structures intact. In the photograph, all the annular structure or growth rings can be seen clearly. When the same vegetable matter reach a marshy land and get buried under a thick pile of sediment over a period of time due to weight, temperature and pressure, it gets converted into coal through a process called coalification. These are some leaf fossils of the trees which are responsible for formation of coal in Gondwana rocks, namely Tylophyllum and Glossopteris. Now let us go for some well-preserved wood fossils. This is a recently constructed Bhu Gaurav Tower where many important rock samples are kept, including a fossil tree trunk. Apparently it is looking like a piece of wood only, but in actual it is a solid rock with a morphology of wood. Another one, it is just adjoining the car parking area of the library building, and it is looking like the basal part of the tree made up of solid rock and morphology of like a tree. This is the third one and kept just in front of the main staircase of the library. Now let us see a very recently discovered 8-meter long and 70-centimeter diameter plant fossil, and this was discovered by a dedicated team of a young geologist while doing geochemical sampling in Sattupalli area of Telangana. A big congratulations to all the geologists associated with the work. The exposure is within Annapuradipalli Reserve Forest. The 8-meter long fossilized tree with 2 branches can be seen in the field photograph with a closer view of one branch. And it is from Kota formation of Upper Gondwana and 65 million years is the age. Now let us visit to National Fossil Wood Park Thiruvakkarai in Tamil Nadu. This is a GSI maintained National Geoheritage Site and it is having about 200 plant fossils established in 1940. Geologists speculate that the tree trunks were transported by flood and deposited here, and subsequently petrification was complete here only. Annular ring or the growth ring are clearly visible, and all these fossils are 20 million years old. Now we will visit another fossil park, a National Geoheritage Site in Sathanur, Tamil Nadu, and it was discovered by M.S. Krishnan, the first Indian to become director of GSI. It is an 18-meter long conifer tree, a geological treasure, and age is 20 million years. Now we will see a geological wonder in true sense. It is a fossilized complete flower with all the petals can be seen, and in the center disc floret is also well preserved. This is a angiospermous flower and discovered in Neyveli lignite, and the photograph was taken by Mr. Gopal Ghatok, Deputy Director General Geological Survey of India in Neyveli Lignite Museum, and it was used as a cover photograph of Coal Wing News Volume 1 January 2005 issue. Now let us see the only fossil park in West Bengal, that is in Amkhoi village near Ilam Bazar in Birbhum district. These wood fossils are discovered in 2016 by villagers while digging a pond, and believes that these trunks are transported from somewhere else and got buried in fine sand and later petrified. The fossil park came into existence in 2018 and maintained by Forest Department, West Bengal. The Ghughua Fossil Park is situated in Madhya Pradesh and is founded by Mr. Dharmendra Prasad, who was a statistical officer in 1970. Fossils of this park are about 65 million years old, and notable fossils are palm tree and eucalyptus-like tree. These are cones of conifer trees, all are in fossilized form. There are many fossil parks, but it is not possible to cover all of them, like Salkhan in Sonbhadra district, UP, where fossils are so huge in number it appears that entire forest got petrified. Salkhan is the oldest and biggest wood fossil park in Asia and 1.4 billion years old, and waiting for UNESCO World Heritage Site tag. Now we will visit Mangrove Fossil Park in Jharkhand. It is near Sahibganj area and very nearby from Kolkata. The park was inaugurated by Jharkhand Chief Minister Mr. Hemant Soren on July 2022, and it is also a geoheritage site classified by GSI. Many of the photographs in this video are reproduced from the e-book Ancient Forest, Global Forest and Indian Forest, authored by me and my elder brother Dr. M.S. Huq. These colorful photographs are from internet. This is a small tribute to Geological Survey of India from my side for its existence for 175 years, the organization which nourished me for decades and the organization which is the storehouse for all the raw material for industrial development of India and many other countries. With this, I conclude this small video, and I request you kindly to subscribe and like the video so that I can make many more videos on GSI's work and capabilities. Till then, take care, bye bye, and thank you very much for watching the video.